Question number 1. A mixture of sand, ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, and is best prepared by which method? Is best prepared by which method? First of all, to answer this kind of question, you ask yourself, is sand soluble? No. Ammonium chloride is soluble and can sublime. Sodium chloride is soluble and cannot sublime. So the first thing is for you to remove the one that can sublime, which is ammonium chloride. You heat it and you then the next is for you to add water. When you add water, dissolve, the sand will remain insoluble. So after adding water, you filter. Filtration removes the sand, leaving the sodium chloride solution. Then you evaporate to dryness. So the correct answer will be B. The correct answer will be B. Sublimation followed by evaporation. Sublimation followed by evaporation. So that's B. Let me try to write. Good. Option B. Okay. Next question. A pure solid melts over what? How do you know that a solid is pure? That is when it melts sharply, not over a wide range of temperature, but over a narrow range of temperature. So option B. If there is impurity, it will melt over a wide range of temperature. Question number 3. Chromatography is used to separate components of mixtures which differ in what? In rate of migration. The rate at which these mixtures or the content of the mixture migrates is what you use in separating it by chromatography. Example of a chemical change. Chemical change is a change that is not easily reversed and a new substance is formed. The correct answer is rusting of iron, because when you dissolve salt in water, no new substance is formed and it can be separated by evaporation. When you melt an ice, it can be returned back or reversed by freezing. When you separate by distillation, you can always mix the mixture back and there's no new substance formed. But when there's a when there's a rust in iron, there's a new substance that is formed and it cannot be reversed. So option B is correct. Question number 5. The addition of water to calcium oxide leads to what? A chemical change. Because calcium oxide plus water gives you calcium hydroxide. It cannot be easily reversed. Hence, it is a chemical change. Question number 6. A mixture of iron and sulfur can be separated by dissolving the mixture in what? So, when you mix iron and sulfur together, you can use magnetization as a means of separation. But since magnetization is not present here, you need to add something that will be able to pick up the iron or the sulfur, leaving one of it behind, and that will be what? That will be dilute hydrochloric acid. So you will get your iron chloride and you will get your iron 2 chloride, and the sulfur will be left. So the answer is B. Question number 7. Sieving is a technique used to separate mixtures containing what type of solid particles? That's particles of different sizes. Particles of different sizes. Mixture of iodine crystals can be separated with what by what treatment? Iodine can sublime, so sulfur crystal is not soluble. So let's look at the option. If you add water, it will not dissolve because iodine is sparingly soluble and so you add carbon 4 sulfide to filter out the iodine. So carbon 4 sulfide is an organic solvent that can dissolve organic solutes. So the correct answer is D. Question number 9. Pure solvents are obtained by what? By distillation. Distillation is one way of obtaining pure substances or pure solvent. And the last question is that pure solvents are obtained by distillation. They are obtained by distillation. So by this we have come to the end of today's revision. Do well to follow as we meet again tomorrow. Bye for now. It's